Hey guys, and our plays here, aka Grif. Today we're just going to be doing a couple things. Well, first thing we're gonna be training in this guy right here to get his older brother. Let's do it. There you go. So we don't have him. Now we need to take him and volunteer him. Yep. Well, we're gonna do something, but first, let's just buy this multitool knife. We're run away from making our reviving Jesus, aka Divine Healing Jesus, to tier 3. And anyways, let's go level up our new friend though, our first ever guardian, which I'm kind of sad that I'm gonna have to get rid of, but it'll be worth it. I'll be getting a 5-star. We have 22 levels down already. 26 levels. That. Even we have some more people trying this. Let's go grab these. Let's go ahead and train. I apologize if this is boring again. If this is a small screen, I'm sorry. I think glitch that I get every now and then with my setup. That's a glitch I get, so I apologize. If this is a small screen, I feel bad for myself and for you guys, because you have to go through it. Alright, let's get this dude upgraded. Actually, I'm going to take these dudes. Let me just see, what level would this bring it to? Yeah, that's not enough. I'm actually gonna take these guys of Divine Jesus and try to upgrade its rush. Alright guys, I think that about wraps up our, wait, please, we have something open. I'll open an elite item. Universal Trainer. Okay, that is actually pretty good. Alright guys, so I want you to leave in the comments, who do you think I should use this Aden on? Should I use it on my Jesus, or should I use it on the 5-star Jesus, or should I use it on the 3-star Jesus? Leave it in the comments below, because I have no idea which one. Again, this is Mark Plays, aka Grif, signing off. Have a nice